Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting the play area on PSVR 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Sometimes you will need to reset your play area, and sometimes the play area will start glitching. Resetting it should fix it. From your PS5 dashboard, scroll to the top right of the screen and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Accessories. In Accessories settings, scroll down and select PlayStation VR 2. Now we are in the settings for PSVR 2. From here, simply scroll down and click on Clear Play Area Data. Select Yes to clear your play area. Now that you have done that, you will need to set your play area again before you can play games. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PSVR 2 tips and tricks.